Hi, this is April, St. Peter agent. Alam mo ba na ang memorial service ngayon ay nagra-range ng 50,000 and above? And yes, tumataas siya every year. Kaya naman ang St. Peter ay nag-o-offer ng pre-need plan kung saan pwede mo itong i-avail ng installment. Merong monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, and annual. Transferable and assignable din ito. Sakaling hindi rin naman nagamit ang service, ay pwedeng i-convert into cash kung magkano ang contract price ng plan na kinuha ni plan holder. Or pwede ring i-transfer sa pangalan ni beneficiary yung plan. May free 4 days viewing sa St. Peter Chapels. Merong more than 300 chapels ang St. Peter nationwide. Here's the products and prices na ino-offer ni St. Peter. If you want to know more about St. Peter, just comment yes or message me.